I'm Paul Baranian, owner of 1-800 Dry Clean of Southeast Lake Norman. At 1-800 Dry Clean, we are experts at removing what your dry cleaner can't, the inconvenience. We take the hassle out of dry cleaning by handling the entire process for you with our free pickup and delivery service. We've been servicing neighborhoods all across America for over 10 years. We stand behind our work. Our quality and your satisfaction are guaranteed. It's easy to start your 1-800 Dry Clean service. We provide you with one of our water-resistant bright blue laundry bags and an over-the-door hook. Simply place your order outside your front door. There's no need to call. We automatically check your door on your pickup day, and you don't have to be home when we deliver. We'll hang your clothes on the hook and bill you once a month. Eliminate those last-minute trips to the cleaner. At 1-800 Dry Clean, we take care of everything. Save gas, time, and money by carpooling your clothes. It's one less chore, and it costs no more than going to the store. Call 1-800 Dry Clean, then relax. We pick up and deliver. 1-800 Dry Clean. We are the official dry cleaner of busy people everywhere.